So what is given in the sixth question? In a circular table, cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure 12.24. Find the area of the design shaded region. यानी हमको shaded region का area निकालना है. Okay. Now you can see this design part, that is the shaded region. Okay. This dot and this line, straight lines, this is the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So how we will get the area of shaded region here? Yes. How we will get the area of shaded region here? Can anyone tell me? How we will get the area of shaded region? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ठीक है, बराबर है, बट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? हाउ वी विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हियर? दिस रीजन वी हैव टू फाइंड, दिस शेडेड रीजन. ये इसका एरिया हमको निकालना है. बराबर है, आपने बताया कि एरिया ऑफ सर्कल में से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. It is an equilateral triangle. Yes, Tejas, it is correct. It is an equilateral triangle. But how we will get the area? We are not having the side of this equilateral triangle. For finding the area, we will require the side ना. वो कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? Okay, 1 by 2 r square sine theta. Harsh is saying that using this formula, we can find. Okay, first we will write what is given to us. Radius of circle. What is the radius? It is equal to 32 centimeters. Okay, उसके बाद a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पे ये सेंटर एज्यूम कर लेंगे. दिस इज माय सेंटर O, दिस इज BO सेगमेंट, दिस इज CO सेगमेंट. हम कोई तो भी एक ही रीजन को लेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट लेट मी इरेज द. ओके, नाउ पे अटेंशन. ये हमारा सेंटर है. This is O point. This is, we have joined all the three vertices of the triangle with the center. Okay. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये वाला सेक्टर ले लेंगे बस. We will take this sector. If we take this sector, tell me what is the area of this sector. How we can get the area of this sector? This sector I am telling. क्योंकि सेक्टर के एरिया में से हम लोग ट्राइंगल का एरिया सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. ओके. How we will get the area of sector? Anyone, please turn on the mic and you can give the answer. No problem. Okay, area of sector. Area of sector. Name of the sector is what? O AOC. AOC. Its formula is 1/2 into L into R. And after converting it, what it comes? Theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. ओके. अभी देखो यहाँ पे ये एंगल मुझे चाहिए. आई वांट दिस एंगल. हाउ आई कैन गेट दिस एंगल? सी द कंप्लीट रोटेशन, इट इज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. ओके, and this 360 degree, it is divided into three equal parts. So 360 divided by 3, it comes 120. So central angle, you can write it here. Central angle theta, it is equal to 120 degree. And how it came 120, I have showed it. So 120 divided by 360 multiplied by pi is what? 22 by 7 multiplied by r. Radius is what? 32 square. So 1 जा 3 जा. और कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है क्या? Tell me the answer of this. 32 square. What is 32 square? Multiply it with 22 and divide it by 21. Tell me the answer of this. After that, we will require area of triangle. The name of the triangle is what? AOC. We can find the area of triangle by 1/2 into r square into sine theta. Okay. But we don't have the value of sine 120 now. How we will get the value of sine 120 now? Yes, आपने ये हर्ष आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला यूज करने का बोला तो है, बट हमारे पास साइन 120 का वैल्यू नहीं है.
Sir,
हम्म.
sir, sin 120 can be written as sin 60 plus sin 60.
Sin 60 plus sin 60. So under root 3 by 2 plus under root 3 by 2, that is the value of sin 120. Is it so? Is it so?
Sir, if sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta.
90 माइनस तो होगा ही नहीं ना विराज यहाँ पे, क्योंकि 90 से बड़ा है एंगल.
सर ऐसा -30 में नहीं ले सकते.
No, no, no. That way we can go. We cannot go. It is in your 11th standard. Okay. Second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, ये सारे trigonometric ratios आपको 11th standard में मिलेंगे. हमारे syllabus में नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. अब क्या करेंगे? I was expecting this कि ये problem आने वाला है using this formula. R square sin theta. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? Yes, anyone?
Draw a perpendicular from point O to AC. It will be a
Okay.
30, 60, 90 triangle.
Okay, correct. From that, what we will get?
Then from that, the angle, let the point be X. So angle AOX equals to 60 degree.
See, I will draw
So
that
of-
triangle here, huh? I will draw that triangle here. Then we will do the construction for that triangle. Its name is AOC. अब बोलो हर्ष, यहाँ से आपने perpendicular बना दिया. Okay. This is point D. अब
angle AOD will be 60 degree.
angle AOD. Okay, this is 60 degrees. So the other angle of the triangle will be of 30 degree. Correct. आगे.
Now we will apply this formula.
Which formula? This formula. Okay.
Half R square
हाँ,
sin
you will get the area of this triangle first. You mean to say?
into 2 we will do. So triangle AOC we will get.
Okay, correct. Okay, so 1/2 into, what is the radius here? What is the radius?
32 centimeter.
But I don't think so, Harsh, this is convenient because see the figure, the original figure. यहाँ पे AO side और OC side both are radius. That time we are using this formula. 1/2 into R square sin theta. Here for this triangle, OD is not the radius, na, but. Getting my point, Harsh?
Yes, sir.
We cannot apply it here. So we will use some trigonometry here. Okay, I will erase some portion here. We can get the area of this, but by not by using this formula. You tried it very nice. Okay, now pay attention here. Again, I will draw the triangle this AOC. This question is very, very important. Huh? ओके, दिस एंगल थीटा इज 120 डिग्री। यहां से हम लोग परपेंडिकुलर निकाल देंगे, तो ये पॉइंट है सपोज हमारा डी। ओके, तो अभी देखो मुझे एडी चाहिए। एडी मिलने के बाद डीसी भी मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि डीसी एंड एडी आर इक्वल, ये तो पता है ना आपको। आई वॉन्ट ओनली एडी। नाउ दिस टोटल एंगल इज 120 डिग्री। ये दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, ये 60 डिग्री आ जाएगा। दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, सो दिस विल बी 90 एंड दिस इज 30 डिग्री। वी आर हैविंग द रेडियस। ओके, एओ की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 32। वी विल यूज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नाउ। बोलो मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे एडी चाहिए, तो मैं साइन 60 लेता हूं। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन थीटा? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन थीटा? इतने जल्दी?
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Opposite upon hypotenuse, correct. So tell me, what is the opposite side for 60-degree angle?
AD.
And what is hypotenuse? AO. What is sine 60 from table? It is under root 3 by 2. Okay. So under root 3 by 2 will be equal to AD का value मुझे चाहिए, AO है मेरे पास 32. Solve this and tell me what is the value of AD now. What is the value of AD? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, इतना इजी नहीं जम रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? Shift this 32 on LHS. So 32 root 3 divided by 2, it will become 16 root 3. So the value of AD is what? It is 16 root 3. तो मुझे अब AC का वैल्यू बोलो। AC is nothing but 2 times of AD. Yes or no? Yes or no? AC is nothing but 2 times of AD. You see the figure and tell me. So 2 multiplied by 16 root 3 कितना आ जाएगा? 32 root 3. अब AC क्या है? AC साइड है इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल का। यस और नो? AC is one of the sides of the equilateral triangle. So area of triangle का फॉर्मूला क्या है? अंडर रूट 3 by 4 multiplied by side square. So under root 3 by 4 multiplied by 32 root 3 का होल स्क्वायर. Solve this and tell me the answer. ये ऊपर वाला भी आंसर आपने नहीं बताया अभी तक. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. Do the calculation and tell me the answer of this also. Three two 187.28. What is that answer for sector or triangle? Yes, Gauri. Sector. Okay. 32187.28. इसका यूनिट आएगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. और यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है ट्राइंगल का एरिया? Tell me the area of triangle also. अभी हमको सेक्टर लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी विल डायरेक्टली टेक सर्कल. हाँ, नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट दिस. हम लोग एरिया ऑफ सर्कल में से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अभी अभी वो हर्ष ने पहले स्टार्ट किया था आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा. दैट्स व्हाई आई कैलकुलेटेड दिस. ओके, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. डायरेक्टली टेक एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. I will erase that portion also. You till then you calculate the area of triangle. अगर आपने सेक्टर निकाल लिया है तो उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली टेक एरिया ऑफ सर्कल नाउ. Area of circle. What is the area of circle? It is pi r square. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 32. Tell me how much it comes. Is it clear to you what we are doing? Thirty-two square is 1024. Okay, 1024 into 22. 1024 into 22 divided by 7. यहाँ पे ये एरिया कितना आ रहा है? 1024 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा तो 3072 आएगा. इज इट करेक्ट? 3072 और ये अंडर रूट 3 और ये 4 एज इट इज. कैलकुलेट दिस. Calculate it and tell me the answer. See, 20 minutes are over. We are only on the 6th question only. Please calculate it fast and tell me the answers. Do 1024 into 22 divided by 7. That will be the area of circle. Okay, 1330. Harsh, is it area of circle? Harsh. Harsh, what is the area of circle? Yes, Shravani, Gauri.
Sir, area of triangle is 768 under root 3.
768 under root 3. Okay. Unit will be centimeter square. ये सर्कल का एरिया कितना मिला है? Yes, Prerna, what is the area of circle?
Sir, 3218.28.
3218.28 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये रूट 3 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लो ताकि फिर आपको शेडेड रीजन का एरिया निकालने में आसानी हो. Multiply this 768 by root 3. Tell me the value. 1330. Okay, 1330.21 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब ये दोनों वैल्यूज का सब्सट्रैक्शन करो. That means 3218.28 minus 1330.21. You will get the area of shaded region. What happened, Harsh? What you have sent? What was that, Harsh? So area of shaded region will be what? 3218.28 minus 1330.21. Okay, write down the final answer. We will move to the next question. Now in this question, 4 circles are given. One square is given. Square is ABCD, whose side is 14 centimeter with center ABCD. ABCD are what the centers of the 4 different circles. and we have to find the area of the shaded region. बोलो कैसे आएगा area of shaded region? Now see, this is quarter circle, this is quarter circle, this is quarter circle, this is quarter circle. Okay, that means 4 quarter circle means what? 4 quarter circle means what? Area of square minus area of circle. But for circle, what will be the radius then? या फिर ये क्वार्टर सर्कल का रेडियस कितना आएगा? दिस विल बी 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. That's it. Now calculate it. Area of shaded region is nothing but area of square minus area of circle. Okay, so we are having the formula for area of square. It is nothing but side square minus area of circle is pi r square. R we will take 7 now, huh? So 14 whole square minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. This 7 will get cancelled. So 196 minus 154. How much it comes? 42 centimeters square. Okay. So area of shaded region is what? 42 centimeters square. Okay, next question. We have to find here the area of the shaded region. What they are said in the question, figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between two inner parallel lines is 60 meter and they are 106 meters long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its edge, the area of the track. Okay. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये फिगर को ब्रेक कर लेते हैं. We'll break the figure. It will become more easy for us. Okay. Is it clear to you now? Now this semicircle and this semicircle, it will form a complete circle. इसको अगर हम लोग join कर देंगे तो ये ऐसा आ जाएगा. Okay. This will become like this. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region for both these circles. How we can get this area now? Yes. How we can get this area? Yes. I have break the figure. और यहाँ पे ये वाला एरिया निकालना है. I have made the question very easy now. You can calculate it. It's quite easy to calculate these two shaded areas and add them. Area of big circle minus area of small circle. It is correct. You will apply it here. Okay. Big circle का radius कितना आएगा फिर? अभी देखो यहां से यहां तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है? इट इज 60. ओके. और बाहर का डिस्टेंस कितना है? व्हाट विल बी द आउटर डिस्टेंस? यहां से 10 mm बड़ा है, ऊपर से 10 मीटर और नीचे से 10 मीटर बड़ा है, तो 80 इट विल बिकम. यस और नो? यस और नो? outer dimensions will become 80 meter. Yes or no? Yes, Harsh, Gauri, Shravani.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are giving so late reply to me? Okay. So abhi outer it became 80. Okay. Now inner radius from this, what will be the inner radius? Inner distance is 60, so inner radius will 30. And
Vivek sir,
yes, ma'am.
good morning, Vivek sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Good
Just
morning.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. Just give me 2 minutes. I just want to talk with children. Children, just start your videos. Start your videos. I think everybody can listen me. Oh, Viraj is seen. Prathamesh, Swaraj, Atharva, Sarang, yes, Sarang is seen. Devyani, then Pranjal, Janvi Kharat, Saili Pawar, very good. Janvi Kale, then Prerna, Radhika, Anushka, very good. After a long time, I'm seeing these faces. Harsh, Rutuja, Harsh Chaudhary, Harsh Sharma, Samyak, Netal, Shravani, Rutuja, Prerna, Gauri, Vaishnavi Thorat. Vaishnavi, start your video, beta. Vaishnavi, start your video, beta. Tejas Chandak, very good. Arya Jadhav. Vaishnavi has not started. Vaishnavi, are you there? Can you listen me? Dear Vaishnavi, show me your hand. Just show me through chat box. Vaishnavi, are you there in the class? Because all other students I can see. Tejas Eklari, just once show me your video, beta. Where are you? Rishikesh Bharti, Rishikesh Kadam, Rishikesh Bharti, Rishikesh Kadam, and Vaishnavi Thorat. Start your videos. Vivek sir, I
Yeah,
think these are not attending your class. Sure. Because I have given lot many options. Show the hand, send the chat in the box, everything.
Ma'am,
Means they are absent, sir.
ma'am, today the attendance is quite good, ma'am. Today they have, today the strength is 30.
But sir, where is Vaishnavi? Why she is not talking now?
Means,
Where is Rishikesh Bharti? They are not talking. Do you understand? They have started and they are not there on their places.
yes, ma'am, correct.
That is true. Because every student I saw the face, everybody responded me. See, sir, there is no need to shout to respond. Their faces are responding.
Yes, ma'am.
But Vaishnavi Thorat, Rishikesh Kadam, Rishikesh Bharti, and Tejas Eklari. Okay, sir, I am going to talk with their parents now.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Students, sir is putting in all the efforts, not only Vivek sir, every subject teacher. It is your duty to concentrate. Isn't it? You have to concentrate.
Rishikesh
The person
Bharti
is
came, ma'am.
ready to give it. Yes, sir.
Rishikesh Bharti came just now, ma'am.
Where was he? Now he has come. Garu Paliwal, I saw him. Okay, fine, sir. You continue it because I think now it is 11:43. There is less time. After 2-3 days, I will join your meeting in the very beginning. I want to talk with my children. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Bharti, yet I cannot see him, but Vaishnavi yet has not joined. Fine. Afterwards, I will send the message to her that what is the reason. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. You continue, sir. I will leave the meeting.
Okay, ma'am. It was really a big surprise. Okay, let's continue with the question. First, I will send you the attendance link. Mark your attendance first. Okay, this outer radius is what? It is 40. So what will be the area of this shaded region here for this both the circles? Area of shaded region will be what? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Come on, find out the area of outer circle and area of inner circle and tell me the area of shaded region here for both these circles. What will be the area of shaded region here? पहले outer circle का find कीजिए फिर inner circle का, otherwise you take it combine also, no problem. See, pi into r square. So r square for outer circle, it will be what? 40 square minus pi into r square for inner circle. So inner is 30. So pi we will take it as common. Okay. So 40 square is 1600 and 30 square is 900. So this will come 22 by 7 into 700 because 1600 minus 900 it is 700. 7 ones are and 100. So it will come 2200 meter square. Is it clear to you? 2200 meter square. Now we got this area of the shaded region. अभी ये वाला जो portion है इसमें हमको shaded region का area निकालना है. So how we will get it? Yes, please tell me fast. We are having only 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Yes, both the Shrawanis, Harsh, Viraj, Gauri, Devyani, Anushka, Gilda. Who will tell me? Area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. For outer rectangle, what are the dimensions? Tell me. This length from here to here, it is given 106. Okay. 106 meters. Now from this point to this point, what will be the length? It is 80. Okay. So outer rectangle का area क्या होगा? 106 multiplied by 80. Inner rectangle का area क्या होगा? 60 multiplied by 106. Okay. So here for this part, what will be the area of shaded region? Area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Okay, so for outer rectangle 106 multiplied by 80, for inner rectangle 106 multiplied by 60. 106 common ले लो. Okay, So 80 minus 60 will come inside the bracket, and 106 multiplied by 20, how much it comes? 2120. अब इसको और इसको add कर दो. That's it. That is your answer. Here also the unit will be meter square. Okay. Okay. Next part we will continue tomorrow. Please mark your attendance fast.